Hi everyone, I'm Gilda and welcome to my channel. I'm about to show you a quick peek at one of Body's fitness programs called For Beginners Only.
In three, two, one. Down for two and back. So Claudia's using the chair for a little extra support. And I love that. So if you're using your chair here, that's great. I can't
I'm
tell
a
you.
62-year-old fitness instructor, so I know a great workout when I see one. And Body has been my absolute go-to for quick, effective workout programs like this one.
Switch sides. Here we go. Slide it out. How we doing, podcast? Yes. How we doing up here, Robert and Claudia? Yes. All right. Keep that hinge going. I'm creating that hand sandwich, right? So I'm
Look,
trapping.
if you're just starting your fitness journey or starting again after a break, this program is designed for you. You don't need a complicated plan. You need something supportive and simplified.
And back. Take your time. Yes. Now, I see you guys all looking at me. I love that. I feel the love, but I want you to keep a straight line from crown of head to hip, right? So shoulders down and back.
This is your path to a new kind of fitness. We're easing you right into low impact strength, core, and mobility work, all at a pace that feels great.
Switch sides. We got four. Last four in this hinge. I feel like it's big time, right? And my booty and my core. An opportunity to strengthen my posture. Last two. Slide.
You'll find yourself improving your balance, building functional strength, and supporting your posture with flowing movements you can do right at your home and no equipment needed.
And you know why they call this bird dog, right? Because we're trying to look like a dog, like my favorite, a chocolate lab in the woods, like pointing to their prey. Good. My sexy lab.
Notice how everything here is low impact. As women 50 and older, we need results, but we also do not need joint pain. This workout keeps you moving and your joints happy.
Elbows are bending. We have four more. Just an easy push up. Good job. Staying on our knees. Everybody's mobility is going to look a little different here. Last two. Easy.
This sample is with the incredible Lacey Green, and she does such a great job with supported training. You'll truly feel great as soon as you get started, not intimidated.
Yes. Breathe into it. Just feel the beat, the rhythm of the music. Switch sides. Take it down and up. Now you put your hands like.
If this type of movement resonates with you, effective but low intensity, then the full For Beginners Only program is exactly what you need.
Switch now. Right away. Let's pay attention to a few things here. I'm trying to do my heel on my front leg. Trying to keep my knee behind or my third toe. But if your knee's coming in front of your ankle,
It's built for women like us who want to get great results without the extreme intensity. Think of this sample as a perfect intro.
now, if lunges feel like a lot for you, I want you to make sure you're with Claudia using that chair. Switch sides and get down. Look it straight on at you.
Even at just 10 minutes, you can feel how effective this is. That's why I love Body. When my schedule is packed, I can always find a quick, high quality workout that gets the job done.
Switch sides. So my knees, hips, and toes are all staying pointed to the front of my square. Stay slow. How are we doing, body fast? Up, back, two more. Down, 2, 3, 4. Twist.
Think about it. This 5-minute sample gave you low impact cardio, core work, and mobility. Now imagine what the full 3-week program can do for your posture, balance, and energy, with each effective workout being only 30 minutes long.
Soft, really lift. Try to keep your hips parallel to the floor, right? Not rocking side to side. Last one, lift and squeeze. All right, good.
That's the power of this program. Ready to see your own transformation? You can unlock the full For Beginners Only Super Block and so many more low impact programs by signing up for Body. Find my link and all the details in the description. Let's start this journey together.